If you're looking to start a lucrative venture in the food industry, few sectors offer as much potential as meat processing. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just beginning your journey, the world of meat processing is brimming with opportunities that cater to various scales and budgets. From value-added products to niche markets, there are a host of business models that not only promise significant returns, but also allow you to play a crucial role in meeting the demands of consumers worldwide. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at the top 5 most profitable meat processing business ideas that have been making waves in the industry. Each of these ideas has its unique requirements, target customers, and profit margins. But what unites them all is their proven capacity for high profitability when executed with passion and precision. Let's begin with the classic but ever-evolving meat jerky production. Meat jerky, be it beef, turkey, or even exotic meats, continues to enjoy a strong market presence among health-conscious consumers and snack lovers alike. The jerky business stands out because it transforms raw meat into a long-lasting, protein-packed snack. The secret to success lies in flavor innovation, quality control, and effective branding. With a modest initial investment in dehydrators and packaging equipment, even small producers can establish themselves and command premium prices. Direct-to-consumer channels and e-commerce platforms offer tremendous reach, allowing entrepreneurs to scale their businesses rapidly. Adding unique flavors or organic, grass-fed options further increases appeal and profitability. Next up is the frozen and ready-to-cook meat products business. In today's fast-paced world, consumers crave convenience without compromising on taste or nutrition. That's where frozen meatballs, sausages, marinated chicken wings, and seasoned steaks come into play. By investing in freezing and packaging technology, entrepreneurs can provide restaurant-quality meals that customers can enjoy from the comfort of their own homes. The key to winning in this space is consistency. Every batch must taste as good as the last. Developing signature spices, collaborating with local farmers for high-quality raw materials, and maintaining strict hygiene protocols can set a brand apart. The profit margins are attractive, and demand continues to rise as more people seek time-saving solutions for home dining. The third profitable idea is organic and specialty meats processing. As consumers become more mindful of what they eat, there is growing demand for organic, grass-fed, free-range, and hormone-free meats. Processing and packaging these specialty meats appeals to a discerning market segment willing to pay a premium for trusted sources and humane practices. While entry into this niche demands adherence to rigorous certification standards and sourcing transparency, the rewards are substantial. By forging direct relationships with trusted ranchers and highlighting animal welfare, sustainability, and health benefits, businesses can charge higher prices and earn customer loyalty. This segment thrives on trust, so building a reputable brand is essential for long-term success. Fourth on the list is ethnic and gourmet meat product processing. The world is a tapestry of culinary traditions, and consumers today are eager to explore flavors from across the globe. Producing ethnic specialty sausages, cured meats, or regional flavors, from Italian salami and Spanish chorizo to Middle Eastern kofta and Asian barbecue, opens doors to vibrant multicultural markets. The key advantage here is differentiation. By offering products not widely available in mainstream stores, entrepreneurs can fill gaps in the market and establish a loyal customer base. Ethnic dealers, specialty grocery stores, and food festivals provide additional channels for growth. For those with a flair for innovation and an understanding of culinary traditions, the possibilities are virtually endless. Rounding out our top 5 is the pet food and treat manufacturing business. The pet industry has boomed in recent years, and with more consumers treating their pets as family members, demand for high-quality, protein-rich meat treats is on the rise. From dehydrated chicken strips to gourmet beef jerky for dogs and freeze-dried fish for cats, the market is vast and varied. This idea is particularly attractive because it allows the use of byproducts and less popular cuts, maximizing the value extracted from each animal. With proper market research, branding, and adherence to pet food regulations, business owners can tap into a thriving market with significant potential for repeat sales. While each of these meat processing business ideas requires a specific skill set and varying levels of investment, all share some vital ingredients for success. Sourcing high-quality raw materials, maintaining stringent safety and hygiene standards, embracing innovation, and building a robust brand identity. In addition, tapping into trends such as organic foods, ready-to-eat meals, and specialty pet products can provide sustainable, long-term growth. There are, of course, important considerations for anyone looking to enter the meat processing industry. Regulatory compliance, proper licensing, and food safety are paramount. Entrepreneurs must be meticulous in meeting local and national standards to ensure the trust of their customers. Investing in training staff, staying up to date with the latest food safety practices, and implementing rigorous quality assurance procedures are all non-negotiable. Developing effective supply chain partnerships is also crucial. Collaborating with reputable farmers, vendors, and distributors can improve efficiency and product quality. Marketing also plays a significant role in the success of any meat processing business. In a competitive marketplace, effective branding, clever packaging, and engaging storytelling can set products apart. Social media, influencer collaborations, and participation in food events can broaden brand awareness and foster customer loyalty. Listening to customer feedback and innovating based on evolving tastes ensures that products remain relevant and in demand. Getting started in meat processing need not be overwhelming. Begin with thorough research, a clear vision, and a commitment to quality. Whether you choose to target health-conscious snackers, busy professionals, gourmet enthusiasts, or devoted pet owners, aligning your products with genuine consumer needs lays the foundation for profitability. In conclusion, the meat processing industry offers diverse and highly profitable business opportunities. From jerky production to ethnic specialties and pet treats, entrepreneurs willing to invest in quality, safety, and creativity can build resilient businesses with impressive returns. As you consider which idea best fits your expertise and aspirations, remember that success in this field is built on a blend of tradition, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Explore your options, do your due diligence, and you could carve out your slice of this thriving and delicious market.